hell in the fuck are you guys doing today? So today we're going to talk a little bit about Kimball Midwest and why I love them and what I bought this month. It's not really, it's adding on to the hardware store, but not really adding on to the hardware store. This is stuff that, you know, I use from time to time, and it's about getting myself more shop supplies. It's not really tools and tool hauls, it's shop supplies. I call this insurancing myself against major fuck-ups. Like broken bolts, fucking, you have to make something in 2 hours. Well, you don't have time to run to the store, get all this shit. So, you know, as a good, you know, like whatever Boy Scout or whatever the fuck I am, I like to be ultra fucking prepared, okay? And I mean ultra prepared. Really, my whole goal in life is to die with every tool that they fucking make. What I want to do is when fucking I die, I want Enzo and Luca to go, what in the fuck did our dad have? What the fuck is all this shit? What is it used for? Because maybe they don't know what I got hidden around everywhere. But that's my fucking goal. I want one of everything because you never know when you just might fucking need it. So, alrighty, we went to Kimball Midwest this month. Just to let you guys know, this September and October are cutting tools are on sale. So like drill bits, fucking reamers, any type of like cutting tool, taps and dies and all that stuff. So the first thing I bought is a 4-piece ream set. Okay, now this is just a tapered ream. So you can take a hole, you know, if you need it just a little bit bigger, you can make that. So the little tapered set, again, this stuff is all on sale. That's a have to buy situation. Okay, so it starts at 3/8, 1/2 inch, 5/8, and 3/4. I figured that was a good set. If I need anything else, also something that's great about Kimball Midwest, you order it one day, it shows up the next day with UPS. Okay. The next thing I bought is a whole bunch of tap sets. Now, what you get is plug or starter, plug tap, bottoming tap. Okay, and I bought them in 1024, 1032, 832, 632, and 440. So these are just little taps because I always find myself using bottom and taps because I'm always going into a blind hole whenever I make something or I try to fix something, you know. And I've had some Kimball Midwest taps before, and they are excellent taps. They're not like the cheap Irwin ones and even the Snap-on ones because that's just rebranded Irwin. Those, I've broken a lot of those. It's just that they're a little bit too hard and they don't, you know, there's no give. So I really don't like those type of taps. I like machine shop taps. And these Kimball Midwests are pretty good. They have a coating and all that stuff. They're expensive, okay? This is not people that don't have, you know, this is no Harbor Freight buying, okay? This is big boy toys, okay? So with big boy toys comes big boy prices. All right, the next thing I got is, it's called Super Polymer Extractor bits. These are left-handed carbon drill bits. I bought a set that came with this, and it just happened to came with the drill bits again. So these are carbide tipped, left-handed things to use to get like drill hard material out. I found I just use the carbide right from the beginning and there's less cussing and more fucked up shit. But I wanted to try these reams. I've never tried like a ream like this, or an extractor, sorry. You know, it looks like it's made for an impact or a wrench, and this is left or right. So it comes in number 1 through 5, and that is number 10 to 5/8. Really, you know, it's pretty easy to get a 1-inch bolt out. It's not that difficult. Okay. The next thing I thought was, I saw these little things. It's called hex out. Well, what these are is, you know, every fucking Allen. You know how easy it is to strip those Allens out? So this is supposed to be an extractor to get Allens out. I did not have those, and I saw them, and again, you know, they were on sale, so I bought a complete set, or I bought every size that they have. So we got M3 to M6, and then, ooh, we get 2 M6s, and M6 to M14. I figured that'd be good. And then I bought the SAE set, so I got number 6 through 1/4 inch. So we got that. All right, the next thing I bought is some step bits. I never really had any step bits. So I bought these. I like these super premium fucking things. These step bits, I thought it would just be nice to have. I didn't have any of those. These are really cool. These are some expensive bastards here. This is like the premium set. This will step bit like, pop cans and stuff. They are pretty fucking serious. I thought it'd just be like, well, you never know. They're on sale this month again, have to buy. And plus it comes with it comes with its own oil and whatnot. I thought that was like fucking, yeah, buddy. Yeah. All right, the next thing I bought was another expensive set of kit. Okay, what these are called is hole hogs. And what these are for is for drilling out a hole. You know that, like, let's say you had a 1/2 inch hole and you want to make it fucking 5/8, okay? But it's hard to, you know, it's hard to have that fucking, you know, with that big of a point. So what they sell is, it's called a frame master. So this is basically, it's just a 5/8 ream, you know, but you could put it in a drill and drill out the hole, and it's less likely to fucking break your wrist and fuck your arm all up or get the hole out of things. So I got that set. It's 3/8 to 3/4. That's the biggest size they make, or I would have added more onto this. Maybe in you know, that type of stuff. But it kind of gives you, you know, if you guys want to read that there, it kind of gives you what these things are for. So that's what I bought. I'll save this to last. This is some big boy shit here. Alrighty. The next thing I bought is a complete master set of these drill tap things. Okay, I don't know if you guys have ever seen these, but you know, like, it's a drill and a tap on one fucking thing. So I got SEE, or what do they call that? Standard and fine thread. I thought it'd be cool just because, you know, you chuck this up in your Milwaukee fucking little, you know, nut driver, and you can just fucking run this in there, and bing bang boom, you tapped a fucking hole. So I bought that master set. It comes in this beautiful little case, and it has a fucking belt loop on it. I don't know why. Alrighty, the next thing I bought, let's see what these are. Oh, okay. Again, shit on sale. These are stubby drill bits, which I like to have stubby drill bits. They work good when you have, like, into a tight spot and all that stuff. So I bought stubby drill bits. They'll go up here because I don't really like these type of cases. So I bought that. And then this one, this is left-handed stubby drill bits, just to get, you know, if you ever have to try to remove a broken fastener. I like these left-handed drill bits. You know, you have about, I would say it works about 30% of the time getting the bolt out. It's not all that, it's not a, you know, end-all be-all that it's going to come out. The next thing I got is, this is a metric set of those power taps. You know, still the same thing, you know, you just fucking put them in impact driver, fucking tap out your fucking hole run a bolt in that bitch, and you're done. Alrighty, now saving this little wooden box. Okay, this little wooden box was 800 bucks. Okay, actually 719. Usually this set I think is like $1,000, but again they had it on sale. So I'm going to show you what this stuff is. This is solid carbide drill bits. So if you ever break a tap off in something, you can use one of these. Okay, it's a two-fluted design, but these are solid carbide, so you know they're going to cut like a hot fucking damn. But this is not made to be in like a drill. Okay, this is, you would have to use a mag drill with these. They're not made, carbide, as you know, is a brittle material. It doesn't like vibration, and it doesn't like shock load very good. So you have to have something ultra stable to use these to get broken taps out, broken bolts. It don't matter what it is. Stainless, fucking, just come right the fuck out. So these things, it's a little set. I think it's from 1/4 inch, maybe a little bit smaller, up to 1/2 inch. But I bought that at Kimball Midwest. Again, I really like Kimball Midwest. I like their online ordering system. I find it very good. Now, a lot of you guys are going to ask, am I still adding to the hardware store? Yes. I'm trying to buy my own crimper for hydraulic lines, brake lines, and all that stuff. Now, I have to be patient and wait, so I've been slowly adding to the hardware store. I got it pretty good now where we have almost anything you could ever want. I got it. But I'm waiting to get that line kit because November is fluid flow sales month. That runs November, December. So I can save myself about 1,500 bucks by waiting to get the stuff then. So that's what I'm doing. I'm patiently waiting to save myself 1,500 bucks. Like I said, every month they have different stuff on sale, and usually their sales last 2 months. You can check that out. Another question, can anybody get a Kimball Midwest account? Yes. You can apply for one online. You can either put your credit card in or have a credit account. If you're a business, you have to submit some paperwork, and then they'll give you a credit account. Now, what's cool about Kimball Midwest credit account is once you use it, you can, you run it up to about, I don't know, $5,000, pay it off. They automatically double your credit account. So the next month you can buy $10,000 worth of stuff if you pay them real well. So that's what's pretty cool. Their credit account, they're pretty lenient on getting shit. I mean, not pretty lenient. I mean, you got to pay your fucking bills, people, but it works out pretty well. But like always, check out Instagram, Patreon, all that bullshit. The Patreon account, they changed how they do it, and I can't figure out how to upload videos to it, so I don't know the fuck to do. It was kind of fucked up the last time I tried it, but I'm going to try it again. But, other than that, like always, thanks for watching. I got to go put all this shit away so nobody knows that I got it. And I guess I got to fucking go.